In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to apply to become a Canva creator. So the first thing you want to do is come to the Canva creator page. You can find the URL to this page in the comments in the description of this video. And once you're on the page, you simply just want to click on become a creator. And when you do that, you'll be presented with some questions that you need to answer. So the first of which is, hi, to get started in the right place, which of these sounds like you? We welcome all kinds of creators and open or close applications based on what our community needs the most. So you need to select what applies best to you between designer, teacher, and business, which at the time of this recording seems to be closed for now. So let's select designer, because this says I create beautiful designs such as illustrations and ready-to-use templates. So when you do that, click on continue. After that, it says before you apply, you'll need to submit a link to your Canva portfolio as part of this application. The next part says create a Canva design with 8 to 10 pieces of your best work, one item per page, include a mix of document types, presentations, flyers, posters, social medias. Next, click share in the top right, then select public view link to get a publicly accessible link, and then copy the public view link. You'll paste it in when you are asked in the submission page, which we haven't gotten to yet. And you can view an example of a portfolio on Canva. So these are different portfolio examples, just so you have a decent idea. All right, next we can just click on continue. So the next section says, we love empowering creatives. What do you love creating? And you can select your creative's specialty, whether it's social media, print, presentations, whiteboards, documents, sheets, websites, lessons, quizzes, charts, video, photos, graphics, and motion. So we are just going to go with social media and then click on continue. And next, how would you describe your level? So there's entry level, mid-level, senior, and expert. So let's say we are entry level, and then you click on continue. And what are your creative interests? So here you can select your interests among this very long list of interests. So let's say design trends, design systems, design tools and mastery, graphic design. And then once you've picked your interests, click on continue. Now it says, what are your motivations for becoming a creator? So let's say upskilling, creative freedom, and earnings. And you click on continue. And now we are almost done. So it says paste the link to the Canva design you prepared, 8 to 10 pages of your own original work, one piece per page, covering a range of formats. And then you can do what it said earlier, where you need to click on share and then create a publicly viewable link to ensure that they can view the design. And you can go back to this link to view examples of portfolios. So once you're ready and you have everything, click into the share URL to your design work field and add that portfolio URL. And then below that, click into the first name field, add your first name. So let's say, and then here you would have a proper URL of your Canva portfolio, and then you can add your last name and you can add your country of residence over here. Just click and look for it, and then go to the how did you learn about the Canva Creators program. Click on the drop down, and you can just let them know how you heard about it. And then next, there's a language proficiency section. Click on the drop down below, and you can specify what language you are proficient in. And once you've done that, you can click into this tell us about your design experience field, and you can add your design experience here. And before you go, check the terms of use and privacy policy, and when you're ready you can click on submit, and Canva will get back to you with an email on the progress and status of your application. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions or if you had any issues or struggles along the way, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below.